big old motor, eh? Yeah, it's bloody huge. It'll be interesting to see what it goes like, seeing it's only done 53,000 miles. They put something in the petrol, didn't they, Chris? What do you think of
Zephyr motor, mate.
First time it's been started in 3 years, it's only done 53,000 genuine miles. Missing parts of the grill. Got all the parts in the shed. There's seven or 8 bars that got to go across the grill. So we'll get those back together. Got holes in the exhaust pipe coming from the motor. That's why it's so loud and noisy. That will be fixed, of course. Close the door. Let's have a look inside this boot here.
Original chrome tip. Oh, a little bit of smoke. Not much.
That's only because of the stuff they had in the petrol to preserve the motor.
Yeah, it's still going through it. Look at that boot, mate. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah. Not scary to rust anyway.
No. Watching that dirt over there, mate. I haven't finished vacuuming it yet.
You haven't even vacuumed it. Carpets, original paint on the back floor. Not too bad at all. A little tiny bit of surface rust there.
Surface, yeah.
That's nothing.
No holes, mate.
No holes. You haven't even cleaned it out, have you? No. Original paint underneath those rotten hole mats. The thing was sitting in the weather for 3 years. No tarp over it or anything. That's the reason that it's gone rotten.
Look at these.
The interior. The floors are absolutely perfect. This car belonged to 2 old people that owned this. It's brand new. Original paint on the floors. Mate, you're so lucky. Oh, Zephyr, mate.
over beautifully.
Ticking over real nice, isn't it? Just being started, just starting to idle really. No smoke from the motor, no smell, nothing.
Oh, shit.
Horn works alright.
Yeah, it's time for
Oh, look at that, eh? Starts just so instantaneously.
Yes.
Do it again, Chris.
And I tuned it too. Oh, beautiful.
Told you it'd be a good motor, didn't I? That stuff they put in the petrol, God knows what it was, but... Beautiful. I love that colour too.
Mm. Yeah, it's growing on me too. Yeah, definitely. When I was reversing it up the yard, there was not a noise in the gearbox or the diff.
Is that right?
Yes, not like my year.
And there it is. 53,627 miles. Genuine. Bit of a brown mark there, but that's not too bad. I think that will come out. It's most probably just a rust stain. Bit of water around the back window. That's not too bad. Last time I was registered, 1987. I think it was actually driven into the garage and just left there before that registration expired. Some photographic society. No members by the look of it.
Have a look in there.
Could have been jaunting around the countryside taking beautiful photographs in this old car. Sticker for your next grease and oil change or service at 50 something, so it hasn't even come up to that time yet, and that was in 87.